indulged in the gravity-defying sport recently along with wife Aduna Akhtar and friend Pritesh Sidhwani. Farhan Akhtar was spotted in his Bhag Milka Bhag avatar as he launched a 9-week skydiving activity at Ambi Valley in Lonavala. This event was organized by the same people who trained Farhan Akhtar, Hrithik Roshan and Abhay Deol for the skydiving sequence in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Akhtar looked delightfully happy as he doled out his pearls of wisdom about the adventurous sport. He emphasized that once you do skydiving, it's difficult to stop. The actor also encouraged adventure enthusiasts to try this adrenaline-pumping sport at least once. While Farhan got busy giving some much-needed support to the organizers, his hairstylist wife Aduna Akhtar was seen gearing up for the task as the trainer fastened the belt of her skydiving suit. The Akhtars seemed to have a gala time testing their strength and reveling in some daring free falls. Quite a fun event, we say.